What is going on, everyone? It is your boy Kieron the Barber, and we are back with another transformation video today. This is a wild one. This is wild hair, caveman hair, and we're going to make him look nice. So we're going to do a nice little side part, natural. Today, because the hair's so long, I want to take that hair off the top to start today. So we're going to be cutting from the top, taking it to about 2.5 inches. Because I want to keep some length in there, because I want my client's hair, as you say, is very, very curly, so we want to keep a lot of that hair in there so when I do dry it up or dry it backwards, it's going to sit nice and flush, nice and like up and back. So yeah, we're keeping that and just making sure that the hair looks nice and straight for when we eventually turn this disaster into something quite pretty. So don't forget, if you are new to my channel, I reckon I've got 78% of people who watch my videos and not subscribed. So if you are one of them 78%, click on that subscribe button. Do not be shy. Give me a like, comment, say hello. I don't bite all the time. So yeah, if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. If you are coming back, if you are a returner, welcome back. It's nice to see you all. It's nice that I can't physically see you, obviously. I'm looking at a screen editing. But, you know, in my mind, I'm closing my eyes and I can see all of you just watching me. So, I just want to say hello. How are you? How's your weekend? I'm currently editing. It's a Saturday. I've had a no-show. So, I'm doing a little bit of editing. And I've wanted to edit this now for the last, like, 4 or 5 days. But we've just been too busy. So, now the top's cut down. Starting getting rid of that bulk. I did a number 5 just to genuinely, there was so much hair there that I just wanted to get rid of it. I would usually start with a 3 to remove bulk, but this was just so thick and so heavy that I wanted to do a number 5, blend that in with the scissors, and then start my fading process. Because, you know, it's working. It's all about working on clean canvases, and it's wiping the hair down and making sure when you finish fading, talc it over to see if there's any dark shadowings or anything like that. So clean canvassing is key to any haircut, and removing bulk, but making sure you're knowing where you're removing bulk from, because obviously I don't want to remove bulk from the top of his hair. So then starting off, I've got the TPOB, the trimmers. Do you know, I love these, right? And I'm just going to talk about these quickly while we go make the around the ear shape. Is that they cut really well. They cut close, but for some reason they're soft and they're really, really good for like sensitive skin. So my client here, his skin, I noticed, like goes slightly red when you put the clippers or the trimmers on the skin. So what I did was I made sure with I have certain trimmers for certain things, and these trimmers here, they're nice and soft, they don't cut, they don't scratch the skin, and they're just really good for sensitive skin, so that's why I use them. So then starting with, this is now my number 3, so making sure I'm starting on my number 3 here and just flicking up my bulk, removing out that bulk, and then we're going to be going down from a 2.5 to a 2 to a 1.5 to a 1 to a 1 open, 1 closed, to a half open, half closed, to then no guard open, no guard closed, then some slight trigger play to remove them shadows, and we are good to go. So now starting around the back of the hair, what I did was I shaved most of that off because we did the same similar steps. With the crown, scissor over comb, blending that in at a 90-degree angle, bringing that straight up. And then what I want to do is I'm going to go over and just bring up my comb at say a 45-degree angle, just to taper in that crown slightly, just to leave it a little bit heavier, because what I don't want to do is I don't want to take the crown off, I don't want to leave it too heavy. What I want to do is I just want to make sure that crown is sitting nice but blended. So I'm just going up at a 45-degree angle, just taking the remainder of that off. And then what we do is we start our fading process again. So with the TPOB trimmers, I start shaving that back of the hair off just under the occipital bone, and then we start to create the fade. So on this side where the parting is going to lay, I want the from the parting downwards, I don't want that to be taken up or taken off. I want that to sit heavy because it gives it its feature point of, it shows that the parting is nice and thick, nice and heavy. So I'm coming in there with scissors instead of clippers. I know certain barbers would shave that all the way up to the top, but I want to leave that heavy because it adds to the style, it creates the style, and that's what we want. We don't want it to be too top heavy. We need the sides to have some weight to them as well, so that's why we're adding the weight to the sides, keeping that heavy, blending that in with the scissors, and then we come in with the thinners as well, just to soften that into the fade eventually. And what I do here is I repeat exactly the same steps as I did on the other side, but I'm going to let you guys watch it anyway. So now here, using my magic wand, if you guys don't know what this is a beard straightener. Now my client here had a beard that he hadn't cut or touched in a long time, but what he had been doing he had been putting a lot of strenuous pressure on it. He had been blow drying it without any heat protection or anything like that. So the front of his beard was frayed and it had a lot of split ends in it, but the back of his beard was really long where he wasn't blow drying it properly, but it had no shape to it. It was very back heavy instead of top heavy. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to take the beard from the front of the beard, the longest point, and arch it from his jawline, giving him a kind of jawline, sculpting his jawline into his beard, just to give it a nice little shape, a nice little angle on it. But I needed it to be straight first to give it that angle. So guys, whilst I'm editing up and stuff like that, I've got myself, Richmond and Zach in the room. Guys, you want to say hello? Hello. So they're really just trying to put me off while I'm editing, I'll be honest with you. We're sitting here on a Saturday. Richmond's customer hasn't showed up. Zach's customer, did your customer cancel?
I rebooked for a different time.
Ouch. I have had a no-show, so we're all good at the minute. We're just here chilling. So Richmond has his channel, which you haven't. Have you edited your video yet? I've edited your video, but you haven't done a voiceover yet, have you? Well, you've done half the voice video. Oh,
You've edited.
Yeah. What about you? You got. I've got to do the voiceover. Alright, me a rich man. Is that racist? Oh shit, I got to do that. Fucking rule. Sorry guys. So yeah, guys, if you don't know, Zach has a YouTube channel. It is Zach Batista. That is ZachBattista, and you should search that up on YouTube and give him a little follow, because his videos are clean as you like. He's got one video, right? So you did a video how many days ago? 3 days ago, and it's got 541 views. We're trying to push him to 1,000 subs at the minute, and he's got 148 subs. So we're trying to get there. So guys, if you're on my channel and you're watching this video, make sure you push and give Zach Batista a little subscribe, yeah? Richmond's already got 91,000, so he doesn't need any more. So don't follow him. In fact, if anything, unsubscribe from Richmond. So just cutthroat around this beard quickly. We're just doing a little cutthroat, making sure all the lines are intact, they're nice and straight, nice and sharp, before we get onto our blow drying process. Now I'm going to be blow drying this hair with sea salt spray. The curls helped me out so much here, because the curls turn into waves, then turn into the fold over for the side part pompadour. It really helps me out here with my Dyson hair dryer. Boom, loving my Dyson hair dryer. We get that in with a Denman brush, and we just put strain. No, I've got a round brush, sorry. So then we put a bit of strength on there, rolling that back, creating that style. Guys, I'm gonna leave you to watch the rest of this video. Comment down below, let me know if you enjoyed it. And yeah, I love you. I want to have your babies. Peace. I ain't here for a church picnic. So, sorry, I did say before that I was going to shut up, but I'm back. So, guys, pretty much, what are you thinking of this haircut? This is a skin fade. This is actually blended in. I know a few people right here that do all skin, no fade. So, I know a few people that do all skin, no fade, right? And this is all fade and skin for the win. And yeah, we're loving life. And I even did, at the end, like someone told me that I had to go round and round on the chairs. I did that as well, just to show how good this haircut was. Here we go. He's so bloody gorgeous. It's fucking raw!